We are working in Module 10, and in this module we're talking about formatting our worksheets. We've done a lot of individual formatting for our cells and our ranges of cells, but if you want some quick ways to format your ranges and make them look nice, you'll want to use styles. We're in section 5 now, and I'm going to show you how to use the styles feature to format your data in Excel. We already know that we can go ahead and choose manual formatting for our file. We can go ahead and, for example, if we wanted these to be bold, we could choose that. If we wanted them to be italics, we could put a color back there. But all of that is time consuming. And if you need a quick way to just apply a really nice format to your entire table or range or whatever, go ahead and select it first, and then you'll be able to use the styles that you see here under the Home tab. Now, a style is basically a group of formats they've put together and given a name, and you can go ahead and use some of those. You are always using the normal style to begin with, and that basically means that your text is going to be the font Calibri. It's going to be size 11 like you see here. The text will be black. Your numbers are considered generic. All that's part of the normal style. I can go and choose any of these that I like, and then I can edit whatever I choose. Let's say that I go up and I pick this neutral one right here. Now it's got a little bit of color back there, but I think I want to make this look a little bit different. Let's say I take everything that's here and I make it bold, and I might want to center it within their respective cells like this. I may want to do something like put a border around this area, since those are my actual numbers that I'm working with. I'll go and apply a thick outside border. It could be that all of these numbers represent dollars, and I could go in and change this as well. There's just a lot of things that you can do. And remember that if you see these pound symbols, that means the column is not wide enough, and you can just double click the line to the right of the column heading to change the column width. There's a lot of things you can do with this. You just want to go and jazz it up. Keep in mind that if you use one of these styles and you're spending all this time reformatting some pieces of it, then you may want to not use styles at all in that particular case. Now, you do have the ability with your styles to create a new style. Let's say, for example, I'll take all the formatting off of this. I'll just go to clear the formatting. Let's say that you create your own. You spent a lot of time working on this. You've made this bold. It could be that you've indented these a little bit. It could be that you've bolded them, italicized them. Maybe all these are dollars. And you've created this new style that you'd like to use on a regular basis. All you have to do is select those cells using that style and go ahead and say New Cell Style right down here at the bottom. You'll notice that what this does is allows you to name your style. I'll say My Style. And then if I don't want to include some of these options, or maybe I do, then I will turn these on or off, and I'll click OK. And now what happens is when I look at my style list, I've got this one available to pick anytime I'd like to use it. And that's how the styles work. They're just pre-designed, and it's a set of formats already grouped together and given a name, and now you know how to create your own. That's really all I wanted to tell you about styles. Let's go ahead and go over to section 6 and talk about how to use the Format Painter option.